very question says the partner was interested in life once upon a time. The very word loses means it's a temporary situation. What happened before? Before, the partner was very much interested in life. That is the meaning. Now the partner loses. Of course, some incidences that are happening in life that may make a person to lose interest. It's a kind of discouragement that are happening due to many happenings and events that are happening in life. Heartbreaking. Loses interest in life means they lost something. It's a lost situation. It's not a gained situation. Whenever there is a loss, it may be money loss, it may be person loss, it may be health loss, it may be any loss. That sometimes makes the person loses interest in life itself. When it happens in a very intensive way, when it is superficial, nobody cares about it. Natural healing will happen. When it is happening in a deepest level, with the closest people, with the beloveds, it becomes such a great wound. At that moment, the person loses interest in everything. We can see it. That leads to depression. One step before depression, the questioner is asking. One step before the depression. The mind functions this way. First, it takes certain incidences and happenings in life, and the mind says it's not the good thing to celebrate life, you lose many things. That long advice by the mind make the person losing interest in life. A suggestion, auto-suggestion. And the next step is, by and by, if this person is not taken care well, there is a possibility the person may end up with depression. It's a very critical situation. No delay service is needed. You should not take it for granted that it's only a losing interest. Maybe tomorrow he or she may be all right. We cannot take it for granted. I have seen many people, even small things made them losing interest in life for few days. They enter into depression quickly. Some depressions, they are reversible. Some depressions, they are irreversible. It's one way. Hence, it is an important thing to be attended. When somebody is losing interest in life, we have to be alert. Something goes wrong. Because when it comes life is always beautiful. Life is always celebrative. Life is always peaceful. When such being the case for life, how a person loses interest? There is something wrong with the person, not with the life. So, a counseling is needed. as a first point, counseling. Probably the beloved who are surrounded. The questioner asking, how can we assist them? Here it is called we, a group of people. How group of people can help this situation? Assist. You can assist this way. Sit with the person who is losing interest in life as a counseling in the beginning. Interact with the person. What happened to the person? What incident happened? Many times, not even incident, a simple hard word from the other person will make the person losing interest in life. Forget about hard incidents. Single word is enough. We have to make a counseling in the beginning. What happens? What made you to lose interest? Just a free talking, heart to heart talking.